You set the alarm for 4:30. It rings, your brain whispers, "Give it 5 more minutes." And suddenly, you're waking up 2 hours later, staring at the ceiling and crushed by the heavy guilt of a ruined morning. It is easy to conclude that you are just naturally lazy, but your willpower isn't the problem. You are simply trying to function without a reliable system to handle the physical reality of sleep inertia. We are going to build the 4:30 a.m. wake-up system. This approach skips the internal debate and uses an engineered environment to override your morning fatigue before your brain has a chance to object. To construct this, gather 3 specific items right now. First, your smartphone, a physical notebook, and a pen. Relying on raw willpower in the dark at 4:30 a.m. almost always fails, but when you rely on a predetermined physical environment, you remove the choice entirely, making getting out of bed your automatic default. The control you have over your morning is dictated by the physical preparations you make the night before. A messy evening routine makes morning discipline an uphill battle you aren't prepared to win. Open your phone and set your alarm for 4:30 a.m. Then delete the default label and rename it with your single most critical objective. Seeing the words "build the business" the moment your eyes open connects your first action of the day to your biggest goal. Next, designate a charging location for that phone entirely across the room from your bed. When the alarm sounds, you are forced to stand up and walk across the floor to silence it. This forced relocation is enough to break the initial heavy fog of sleep that usually pulls you back under. Now, open your physical notebook. Date tomorrow's page and write down one specific task you will execute the minute you wake up. Giving yourself a clear target tonight removes the mental friction of deciding what to do tomorrow. Without a target, your brain will naturally choose the easiest path, crawling back into bed. To give your body the best chance at actual rest, lower your room temperature and eliminate screen exposure 30 minutes before you plan to sleep. As you drift off, try visualizing the physical act of getting out of bed and walking to your phone. This simple mental rehearsal primes your baseline readiness for the morning. By setting up these physical triggers tonight, you eliminate the need to make any difficult decisions at the exact moment the alarm goes off. The first 10 minutes after your alarm sounds are a critical vulnerability window. This is when your mind will try to negotiate a return to sleep. This graphic illustrates how pulling your brain out of deep sleep requires 3 physical inputs. First, drink a full glass of water. Next, flood the room with bright artificial light. Finally, complete 2 quick laps to get your heart rate up. To begin associating early rising with something positive, write down a specific morning reward in your notebook. This could be a quiet cup of coffee or 20 minutes with a book. If you view the early morning as a reward rather than a punishment, you are far more likely to stick with it. Your body will take about 3 days to adjust to this new schedule. During that window, expect to feel some friction, and don't let a late start turn into a reason to quit. Use the never miss twice rule. If you fail to wake up on Wednesday, your priority is to get back on track by Thursday morning. Missing 1 day is an accident, but missing 2 days in a row starts to build a new habit of failing. Look at your surroundings. With your phone across the room and your task already written down, you are now configured to execute the 4:30 a.m. wake-up system. This setup grants you a distraction-free window of time that simply doesn't exist later in the day when the world is awake and demanding attention. Waking up at 4:30 a.m. isn't just a change in schedule. It's a structural advantage, allowing you to work on your dreams while your competition is asleep. Commit to this system right now. Drop a comment confirming your setup is ready and prepare to start your first session tomorrow morning. Once you've mastered the transition from your bed to your desk, you've already won the most difficult battle you'll face all day.